Yeah, out of my tool, I'm clutching, yeah. Baby, I'm cool, don't trust nobody. I'm too rude, I'm too damn cocky. When the fake up move, they flocking. I gotta shoot, ain't got no option. Update till no, I'm not boxing. This right here gon' solve your problems. I can't play about them commas. Okay, rock straight all that drama. Chopper singing like Madonna. You gon' take her to McDonald's. I'ma be up in the Hondas. Eating good with all my partners. I'ma chop her down. Like your fucking number. She gon' let me get her number. When you broke with that's a bummer. Take a pic, put it on Tumblr.
Put 50,000 in your bitch face, make it nervous. Put the test on like that, my diamond certified. We'll kick it with the outsiders, they working 9 to 5. Put them little rest on little bitches, I go way too big. While the brother keep his cut, he having his way with the sticks. I done walked there with my eyes and I'm having my way with your bitch. Treat a little bitch like a dog, you going out days with the bitch. Got the plug way out of Morocco, he out the way with the shit.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Joey here. Before I get into the video, my nigga, I'm not no social ass nigga, so you feel me? That shit just gonna be plainly as commentary, my nigga. Some videos, some parts of the shit is gonna be real, like, real live shit, but you feel me? Yeah, most of it just gonna be commentary, my nigga, so. As you can see by the background, my nigga, we was in an aquarium. Bro, I gotta stop cussing, my nigga, but damn, what the fuck, my nigga? But, bro, we was in an aquarium. Basically, you see that big head ass nigga, but basically, we was in an aquarium, my nigga. This shit was kinda good. You're seeing big ass turtles and shit, but I know I ain't trying to talk about all that, you feel me? I know I was at an aquarium, but, you feel me? Y'all like listening to my voice, so I'ma just talk to y'all niggas. So you feel me? Even though I don't know what to talk about, I'ma still talk to y'all. But I don't think I'm finna be doing this vlog and stuff. You feel me? I'm probably just gonna be sticking to my normal videos and all that. But I might, if I get better at this vlogging stuff, if I like vlog by myself or like go somewhere to vlog, I try my best to be like more extroverted, whatever that shit called. But you feel me? I ain't no freaking talkative person. So you feel me? It's just gonna take a lot for me to get used to the YouTube things. But I mean, if you want it, you do it. So I want it, so I'm gonna do it. And yeah, you feel me? It's this aquarium thing was kind of good. I ain't really tripping about it though, but yeah. If y'all want to see more aquarium without my voice, I'm gonna show y'all more of the aquarium without my voice. So yeah, you feel me? I'm finna start talking. You feel me? So fuck y'all niggas, bye, bitch. Yeah. I don't even think it's fish in there, my nigga. Oh, this one right here. I think that been dead on me. Bro, I'm not gonna cap this nigga dead.
I'm just letting y'all know. More videos coming, you feel me? I'm in Florida right now, so y'all probably gonna get this like probably in like 2 more weeks or next week. So the 4 videos, I'm uploading 4 videos every week, you feel me? So if you stay tuned for that, you feel me? I fuck with all y'all niggas, you feel me? Y'all niggas show me love, so I'ma show y'all love, you feel me? Man, why all the vibes dark? Oh!